First of all, if I want to fry some eggs and some bacon, I will need a frying pan. I will need a frying pan. And you know why? Just because I want to make my own breakfast. So, and you want to make your first breakfast alone, you will need a frying pan. And you know why I choose this one? I choose this one just because you don't need to use cooking oil. You will be able to cook without cooking oil. And you can use it in each kind of cooking surface that you have. If you have a glass, you can use it. If you have induction, you can use it. If you have gas, you can use it too. So you have no excuse. You will prepare your breakfast. So, this is the frying pan that I'm using. You know what? I'm wondering if I can use it, like wow and wow. I'm not sure. I should try it. Would you like to try it with me? Just give me a bowl. Give me. I'm here. Wow. So, this is good to fry almost everything. You will use no cooking oil, and you can use it in any surface. So, what happens if you need to cook as a man for yourself? Well, even if you are a woman, you will need to cook. So the most basic of all, it's a frying pan. It's something so easy. You will need only this. You don't need cooking oil or anything else. You will have your frying pan, and you will have inside the bacon, you will have your eggs, and you can have everything.